Polkadot has increased insanely in the first weeks of October. Some investors are expecting DOT to be the next coin to hit an all-time high. Some predictions say that DOT can hit $75. But are these expectations right? Do we have good reasons to think so? What are the factors behind increasing demand for DOT? And what are the price predictions for the coming months? If you're looking for the answer to these questions, we made this video especially for you. But before we talk about all of this, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to be up to date about every new opportunity to make money with cryptos. And if you want the best market conditions to invest, including lower fees, then you should check our links in the description. Now let's focus on DOT, parachains, and profitable opportunities. Why is Polkadot going up? Well, the main reason for the Polkadot skyrocket momentum is the power of parachains. To begin, you need to know that Polkadot aims to solve the two main issues blockchain-based systems have to solve: scalability, the number of transactions per second the network can handle, and governance, how the community manages protocol upgrades and changes. That's why its team is developing a system of interconnected parachains that will assist the implementation of Ethereum and other crypto smart contracts, spurring innovation and efficiency in developing decentralized applications and services. Parachains are custom project-specific blockchains that are integrated within the Polkadot, DOT, and Kusama KSM networks. Parachains can be customized for any number of use cases and fit into the main blockchain called the relay chain, considered to be the heart of the Polkadot and Kusama networks. Among other things, this design structure may allow parachain users to perform transactions faster and with lower costs. It also enables parachain developers to create blockchains that don't disclose user data to the public network or that don't need to process a large number of transactions. And why are these parachains so important? Well, Polkadot doesn't support smart contracts on its main blockchain, but it can support small smart contract apps on its system of parachains. And one of the functions that helps efficiency is DeFi, decentralized finance. And with DeFi has been increasingly targeted by the crypto market, it's no surprise that investors are paying attention to DOT. And now the market has one more reason to be excited about the Polkadot network: parachain auctions and DOT price. In order to become a parachain on Polkadot and Kusama, projects have to participate in a parachain auction. The parachain auctions are the biggest drivers of momentum for the Polkadot ecosystem because it's where projects compete for community votes to obtain one of the limited slots available to launch on the network. It's probably not a coincidence that Polkadot's token surged to top $40 for the first time in 5 months after the project set a date of its first parachain auction, getting closer to a real-world launch of its multi-blockchain framework. DOT's price rose as much as 19% to a high of $43.56 on October 13 after the auction announcement, according to Binance data. The Polkadot team has been testing its parachain technology and process on its Guinea Pig network Kusama to make sure they're ready to be launched. This means that over the coming year we'll finally see a lot more interoperability across blockchains. Improving the user experience will not only enable DeFi to run on Polkadot's network, but NFTs too. A parachain can be modified to carry out specific DeFi functions. Plus, what Polkadot has set out to do could enable different blockchains to work together as part of one ecosystem. After an unanimous approval for the blockchain's on-chain governance council members, Polkadot is ready to launch its parachain auctions. Polkadot founders Gavin Wood and Robert Habermeyer confirmed that Polkadot now holds the technical capabilities to implement parachain auctions and crowd loans for the first time. The first Polkadot parachain auction of the initial batch is slated to begin on November 11 and will continue at a rate of 1 per week for 5 consecutive weeks until the final auction on December 9th. DOT's price will probably continue to rise until the auctions begin. Therefore, the next few days could bring many opportunities to profit for those who have DOT in their portfolio. Before we talk about DOT prices, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button to help us bring more quality content for you. And if you're thinking about investing in DOT or any other cryptocurrency, you should check our gifts and bonuses in the description. Now let's see the price predictions for DOT. DOT price predictions. According to Cointelegraph, DOT chart technicals suggested may rally to a new record high near $75 if DOT can manage to close above its $41 to a $43 range decisively. The financial website FX Street claims that the near future could see some interesting moves in the DOT coin price. They say the coin has the potential to hit $42.71 in the short term, and that it would not be impossible for it to reach a new all-time high and go above $50. On the other hand, FX Street also thinks that the coin could easily drop down to $28.60, and there is also a concern that the price could fall as low as $23.46, which could lead to a massive sell-off and trigger a crash in the coin's price. But talking about prices is really tough, especially because it changes all the time and the market isn't always rational. The point is, it doesn't matter if the price goes up or down. You should not be guided by this. Speculation isn't a good strategy for the long term and does not always work in the short term if you aren't ready to buy and sell at the right time. DOT has an amazing potential with a solid ecosystem, so it's worth looking into this asset not only based on its quick profits in the fourth quarter, but in the coming years too. Guys, always remember that none of this should be taken as investment advice. After all, we aren't financial advisors, so always do your own research. I'd like to know your thoughts about DOT's potential and future, so tell me everything in the comments down below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new video. And if you enjoyed this one, hit the like button to help us reach more people with quality content. Also check our links in the description for gifts and bonuses to invest in DOT and any other cryptocurrencies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll be waiting you in the next video.